Evening, mate. Just going to run you through a little foam roller routine. So we're going to start off with quads, just general thigh rolling. So start just above knee joint, bring that on, and you're just going to roll all the way up to the top of the quads, and then roll all the way down. Don't worry about getting too high up, because we're going to be doing the hip flexors individually as well. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple for the sake of demonstration and go for kind of sets of 10. In terms of prescription wise in the research, anything kind of 10 to 15 rolls or around, anything 30 to 90 seconds depending on what study you look at. There's no real benefit after 90 seconds of rolling, so don't waste your time doing any longer than that. But I'd say around kind of 10 reps or 45 seconds is about right. And when you get to 10, all you're going to do is change legs. It is literally, you can't go too far wrong with foam rolling. It is literally kind of rolling pin over dough sort of theory. The minute to fit to foam rolling over stretching, is you're applying a stretch downwards into kind of segments or sections of the muscle rather than pulling on the two attachment ends. So if you're feeling particularly tight before a run, what I would say is do foam rolling rather than stretching. Stretching, you switch off stretch receptors neurologically a little bit, so your run performance probably isn't going to be as good to start with that first 10 to 15 minutes afterwards. So ideally, foam roll. And I'll get up to around 10 there. I'm going to switch back over to the right. This time I'm aiming for top of the hip, obviously not the bony part, but just underneath. And I'm just doing kind of shorter rolls into the top of the hip. My leg's still fairly straight. You can probably just about see the foot is still facing down to the floor. I'm going to change that in a second. I'm going to do kind of 10 forward approximately. And then I'm actually going to angle. So now I'm coming on to TFL, tensor fascial lata, kind of fascial tissue and muscle. It comes down into the IT band. So you're going to kind of almost angle your body out slightly, and you'll usually feel that's a lot more sore. This one. And then I'm just going to change sides. So again, now I'm your left hip flexors first. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So there's much smaller kind of oscillations with this one. And again, you're angling, it's going on this part rather than here, going on this part, TFL. And there you go. Just using your legs, using your arm, using your body to kind of glide up and down. Tempo wise, it's kind of a second up, second down. I tend to go a little bit quicker tempo wise on the kind of shorter oscillations like this. Shorter rolls even. Good, so you've done quads, hip flexors, TFL, working round next, glute med, also attaches down into IT band. You shouldn't really, well you can roll the IT band directly, but you get better results from doing the muscles around it. To do glute med, favourite way that I do it, coming onto the roller, if you want to do my left glute med, I'm sitting on the left side. You're also bringing left ankle over right knee, and you're at a slight kind of diagonal into the room, and then roll up and down, and you will feel that one straight away. I'm feeling that after hit tonight, even after all the stretching afterwards. So again, I'm just going to do 10. I think usually I'd probably go double on this, probably around 20. Feel free. Again, it's quite a short roll that you're doing, so feel free to spend a little bit longer or time yourself and do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As a bonus, after that, again, feel free to do obviously calves or hamstrings. Okay, but those first 4, focus on those initially. 3 sets round.